Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find out how many views your reels have on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Instagram profile on my main page or on my feed, call it whatever you want, and I do have some reels posted on this account. If I go over here, as you'll see in my grid, there are a couple of reels with these two dogs, which are just some royalty-free AI video, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, as you can see, currently I cannot see the views of these reels. If I go into them and go into their options, as you can see, there is no sort of analytics option. If I go like this, as you'll see, there is also no analytics over here. And the only way, which I know of how you can actually see the views on your reels is you need to go into your profile. However, you do not go into the grid view like this, which shows you all of your posts. You need to go over into your reel menu. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it very well because the image is kind of bright, but in the bottom left corner of your reels, you have sort of an eye image, and that eye image has a number next to it, which is your view count. Now, as you can see, the left reel has 1 view, while the right one has 5, and that is pretty much the only way in which you can see it. If I go into these reels, as you can see, even if I go into manage, as you can see, there is no way for me to see these reel views, and the only option I have is to look at the little numbers in the bottom left of the thumbnails. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. That's really the only way that I know of how you can do this. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.